So I just want to make this video to show everyone how I have modified the standard Harbor Freight tire remover to be able to do motorcycle tires now that they don't sell the attachment. I use the standard tool it comes with, one other tire iron, and this I made from parts at Home Depot. It's just a pole with basically a base to hold the rim, and I just drilled a hole right here and to hold it in place. So I also use ratchet straps to hold the wheel in place. So let's get started. So the first obvious step is to break the bead. I have mounted this tire changing machine to my trailer just so I can take it to the track with me. But right now I'll just show. All you gotta do is line it up, and push down to break the bead. Well, you get the idea. So once you get the bead broken, just slide the wheel over the pole that I made here, and I use the ratchet straps on each mag to hold the wheel in place so it doesn't wiggle back and forth. So I'll put one strap on each mag and then just ratchet it down to a base. In my case, it's the trailer. So once you have it snug in place, you can see how the wheel really has minimal movement. If you notice down here, the way I have it up forced, it's not actually damaging the rotor at all. No contact with it. So that's nice. So now to put some soapy water on it and actually remove it from the tire from the rim. So this is the easiest way I have found to get the tire on the rim, is by strapping it together to where the insides are touching or close to touching, and then getting some soapy water on there and shoving it on there. So that is it in a nutshell. Took me 20 minutes to do basically everything. I stuck it back up on the rack just to make it easier to pull the straps off. Making this video because to show everyone something that took me 4 days to figure out, I can now have done in 20 minutes. So hope you guys learn something and are able to do it yourself, save some money. That's it. Thanks.